Right now, I am going to talk about something important, and important is that online you own only two things. Either only two things you own online, you do not own nothing else. All these platforms we are there, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest. We are there to create our content, our value, and share our content and values, but we do not own anything. But you own two things online. One is your blog, and another is your list of your customers, that is your email list. So uh, I hope my battery is still there until I finish my live. So you own two things. One is your blog, and second is your list of your customers, that is your email list. So right now I am going to talk about blog and blogging. For having a blog online, you need to create your brand statement. Actually, a blog is a way to create awareness for your brand. If you want to start a blog, you have to think first of all, what is your niche? Number one, you have to think what is your niche, and number two, you have to think what are you going to provide through your blog to your audience. Suppose your niche is health and wellness. You want to talk to people about improving their health. So you are going to create your mission statement around the health topic. Suppose you are going to say, get fit in 30 days, something like that. For example, my mission statement is empowering business owners with the tools and strategies to succeed online. That is my mission statement, because I work with the people who are interested in home business, who are interested in working from their home or working from their laptop. Your story is actually connected to your mission statement. uh, for me, I will tell you my story, how I created my mission statement through my story. So your story is connected with your mission statement. Your mission statement, I told you how you have to figure that out. That first you have to figure out your niche, and then your mission statement, so that you can start your blog with the correct words. uh, for me, my story is that I live in New York City, and I worked in blog, not in blog, I worked in brick and mortar business with my husband for almost more than 17 years. And after that, I started a few jobs around my neighborhood, but I continued for like 2 or 3 or 4 months. I never wanted to continue those jobs because they were not interesting enough to me. They were not, making me happy. Even though I was, creating income, I was creating, revenue. I was getting paid, but at the end of the day, I was not happy. I will come home and I will crash on the sofa and watch TV for 2 3 hours and order food from outside and do the same thing over next day. So that is not life, right? You cannot enjoy your life. You are just too tired, to come back to home from work, and you are not enjoying life at all. You are not having any quality time with your spouse, with your family. You are not making any traveling plans anywhere. You are just, sucked into your job 9 to 5, and you are only, worried about your job, waking up, going to job, coming back, about your clothes, about your shoes. And moreover, the last job I had in 2016, it was a job in a healthcare industry, and pay was good, I had a nice cubicle, I had a nice place, I had nice people around me, but there was too much office politics. I cannot deal with that. So after 3 months, I have to leave that job, and then after that, I started my own blog. Now it's been 3 years. I started my blog, and after that, I created all the content, and I'm getting paid on my blog, and I publish my own book on Amazon. My constant writing habit on blog helped me to publish my book on Amazon. The name of the book is Starting a Blog, Starting a Successful Blog. The link is in my bio. But right now I'm going to talk about the coaching program, which is starting on 31st of March, at the end of this month. Boss Babe Blogging, that is the name of the my coaching program, where I will be coaching you personally in a small intimate group. Two spots are already filled, and there are three more spots left. And if you any of you guys is a aspiring blogger, just say blogging, and then I will connect with you, or just DM me, so that I can talk with you, and to see if this is a fit program for you or not. If it is, then we continue. If it is not, no problem. I'm gonna say hi to everybody. Hey, Emlyn Johnson, third Danny, and have Harvest Wow. How are you guys? And anybody here aspiring blogger, then drop the comment or DM me, then I will be connecting with you, and we'll be talking about the coaching program. I'll give you all the details, and if that is a fit for you, then we go from there. If it is not, then no problem. If you guys have any question, just let me know here in the comment. And if you got any value from my live, just give me some love, show me some heart, show me some comment. And I promise the coaching program that is starting on 31st of March. It is a 7-week live coaching program, where I will be meeting you online on Zoom for 1 hour every week. And every week you are going to achieve one milestone. In the first week, you are going to achieve how to find your niche, and how to find your domain name. And in the second week, you are going to find hosting and set up WordPress, and start writing your blog, start writing your first post. And there are 7 milestones. And another one is you are going to create your own product to sell on your blog, and I will show you all the ways how to monetize your blog. And in the bonus, that is a bonus, that is not 7 milestone, that is in the bonus. I will show you how you can self-publish your book if you are starting your coaching with me. So you are going to achieve 7 milestones. I haven't listed all of them over here, but I told you first 2 or 3, and I told you the bonus. So once we get into talking into the intro call, then I will explain all the 7 milestones. So comment and let me know if you have any question, guys. Then I'll be glad to answer them. And let me know who is watching me from where, because I love knowing where someone is watching me from. So have a great day, guys, and I'll see you again. Bye.